Good morning, Jumbos. I'm Patty Kloss, reporting for Tufts Dining with some exciting news. Your dining options are about to get an upgrade. And no, I'm not talking about extra guacamole in your favorite burrito bowl. 2 Tufts Dining locations are getting fresh looks, complete with new layouts and other updates to reduce wait times and improve the dining experience for students, as well as workplaces for staff. First up, Hodgdon Food on the Run, known to many as Hodge. Renovations will begin this spring and should be completed before the start of the fall semester. A few highlights: an open floor plan to create a better traffic flow, a pickup area for mobile ordering, and a dedicated space for a mini market. While Hodgson will be closed during construction, students can enjoy a limited menu of favorite items at a PopUp location in the lobby of DeWitt McPhee from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday through Thursday and 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Friday. And over at the SEC, you'll find Kindlevan Cafe, the second dining location that will be transformed before the start of the fall semester. A go-to spot for healthy and delicious to-go options, Kindlevan is about to get even more convenient for the Tufts community. Think streamlined queues, faster service, and better prep space for the staff. On behalf of everyone here at Tufts Dining, we are thankful to the university's ongoing commitment to enhance the dining experience on campus. We will continue to share status updates in the coming months. Until next time, I'm Patty Kloss, signing off.